I'm here today for the challenge on how to reach carbon neutrality for the future, hosted by Wilmot Dixon.
I thought it was really good. As soon as the debate started to build and the momentum built up into it, you got good, strong opinions coming through, positive and negative, talking about real issues.
Climate change is happening. As a technical community in the building world, we all acknowledge that. And what it means in practice is that the impacts that are happening now are more harmful than those in 10 years, 20 years, because what's already happening is happening quickly. So we have to act urgently, not eventually.
There is a expectation that we have new buildings that will actually look inspirational, iconic, etc. And also working with local authorities, they want to see that physical change on a building and investment going in there. Whereas actually to look at a sustainable building, sometimes that's not the main driver. You want to be looking at reducing energy, making the buildings more sustainable internally, which for me is going to be the key driver. And getting local authorities and planning authorities to understand that will actually encourage more clients and more building owners to actually do the right thing.
There's a necessity that people take accountability for what they're doing, understand what it is they're getting out of these labels and really optimise the value in reality in the buildings rather than just chase the label. If all you do is chase the label, then you're never going to get to the real goal that you're trying to achieve by obtaining that.
There are lots of barriers to creating properly sustainable estates, but none of them are unovercomable. We have the knowledge, we have the expertise, we just need to join forces.
Some of them are the barriers that come from our preconceptions and maybe lack of ambition or sense of can't do it until government do this or can't do it until this happens. But others, there is a real world around them. You need the money and the resources to be able to do things.
If we're talking about barriers to sustainability and we think that our existing rules are part of that, the easy option is change the rules. Because if we keep on doing what we've always done, we'll never create a new outcome. That's a fairly understood topic. So if something is blocking, move the blockage out of the way. If something is creating a problem, the right people, getting them around the table, change the way in which we engage with people. So it's incumbent upon us to do something from here. Hopefully that conversation triggered those thought processes for people, and I very much hope to see some action coming from this.